Hi all, it's JV here from InfoHut, and if you've been getting the problem of your iPhone X, XS or XS Max that has been giving you a black screen and there's no signs of life, well, rest assured I've got a fairly quick solution and hopefully I can help you out. Okay, so as a repairer, this is a fairly common problem, and I do believe that the solution I'm about to offer does actually fix, say, probably about 8 out of 10 cases that I do see. It doesn't always fix it, but hopefully I can give you this simple solution which does help. So first up, what you need to do is obviously get your iPhone X, XS or XS Max. Make sure it's not plugged in. So you just need to press the volume up button quickly, the volume down button quickly, and then hold down the power button. So I'll just do that now. Volume up button, volume down button, and then hold down the power button until you get an Apple logo. Now, as I said, most of the time, 80% of the time, this actually does fix it. Your phone will be back online. Now, if it doesn't, we need to go to the next step. The next step is to see how bad the phone is and if there is any life whatsoever. So the best way to do that is to get your USB lightning cable or charging cable and then plug it into a desktop or a laptop that has iTunes installed. Now, if it does have any type of life, whether you get visual or not on it, it should detect on iTunes. So even if it's a black screen and you do see that the phone is being detected because it'll flash up on the screen, the good news is that your phone is working. So it could be something like as simple as a faulty screen. Now, after that, what you need to do is make sure that you do go to the correct area to get it fixed. Now, when it comes to an iPhone X, XS, as of today, they're still a fairly new phone. And what I mean by that is that most of them in most countries are still covered by warranty. So you got to make sure that you don't void your warranty with Apple. So the best thing to do is, and I'm going to put a link in the description below, is contact Apple support. They've got a chat support online. They've also got a phone number that you can call and talk to one of their technicians or staff members, and then they will recommend what you need to do. Now, this costs you nothing, obviously a bit of your time, but it is still very important that you do that. Now, after that, Apple will suggest what is the best option. So hopefully that actually clarifies a few things. And by all means, if you do have any questions, drop a comment below because I always try to answer every question that's in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm trying to get this subscribe number up. And I always want to give you guys the latest solutions of anything that pops up. And of course, the latest tech news. I want to give you an update on that. Cheers. Thanks. Bye.